In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Expressvpn on your Mac. If you're looking to enhance your online privacy while surfing the web or access content that's region restricted, Expressvpn is a great tool to help you do just that. Let's dive into the straightforward process that will get Expressvpn up and running on your Mac in no time. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Expressvpn website. You can simply type expressvpn.com in your address bar and hit enter. The Expressvpn homepage greets you with various options and information about their service. Now, if you're not already, make sure you're signed up for an Expressvpn account, as you will need this to proceed with the installation process. Once you're on the homepage, look closely at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the My Account option. Click on that to continue. If prompted, you'll need to sign in using your Expressvpn account credentials. Doing this will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your VPN service. Your dashboard is like the command center for your Expressvpn settings and configurations, so feel free to explore what's there if you want to dive deeper later. Next, from your account dashboard, look for the area that lets you manage your devices. There's a section there labeled Set up your devices. Click on Devices to move forward. Here, you'll get a selection of all the devices Expressvpn is compatible with. Find and click on macOS under the list of operating systems. This selection is crucial because the download links and instructions are tailored to the specific operating system you're using. Now that you've chosen macOS, you should see the download button appear. Simply click on the download button to start downloading the Expressvpn app for Mac. Depending on your internet speed, this shouldn't take too long. When the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where you save your files, and double-click on the install package to launch the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup. It's quite user-friendly, so just follow the prompts to install Expressvpn on your Mac. You might be asked to input your admin password to authorize the installation. Once installed, open the Expressvpn app and sign in with your account details if prompted. And there you go. You're all set to start using Expressvpn to secure your online activities and explore unrestricted content across the web. Adjust configurations to suit your preferences and enjoy a safe browsing experience. Feel free to ask any follow-up questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.